Hi, I'm Jeff, and I have a tip for you. If you're using Dundas BI, one of the best practices that we recommend is that you disable the built-in admin account. You do this for security reasons because it's a known account and it's a potential vector for an attack. So you disable it and you use a separate admin account as your system administrator. Now what happens is, if there's any notifications that the application needs to send, it automatically sends to whatever email you provide in the built-in admin account. Now the problem with that is that it may either be a black hole, you may have set it up as a temporary email address and you're not getting the notifications, or you want to change it, right? If you've disabled an account, why would you use that email address associated with it? So if you go into the config section of Dundas BI, do a search for maintainer, maintain will work. You can see that there's a new property on the config. This is new to version 9, so you have to have version 9 to have this, called maintainer email address. So whatever email address you put in here, this is the email that will receive any notifications that the application needs to send. So errors, things like, did they go over their floating user threshold? You name it. Like basically everything's tied to this. So if you put an email address in here, this is the address that the application will send any notifications to. Leaving it blank, it'll default back to the old behavior of whatever that admin account email is associated with. So very useful property and something you should definitely set. Hope this helps.